It's kind of heavy and I can guess what it is. Okay, to you, Imogen.
I have no idea.
It's a razor scooter. Yep, it's a razor scooter. White and pink. Or is that silver and pink? I don't care. This is kind of heavy. There we go. It's been unwrapped. Oh, it's open. Am I supposed to open this?
Hmm?